Okay, we're back. We had a nice little rush. I had to go get some stuff out of storage units. Um, we have Keurigs. Just to remind everybody, the Keurigs are $60 for businesses. So if you own multiple and you take multiple more than one Keurig, we're going to give them to you for $60. If you want one for a gift, come in. It's 10% off today. They're normally $75. Come in, say hello. Discount right now is 15% off of all of our toys until 3/15. 10% off store wide all day long. But let's get right into the rest of this palette. We have a ton of stuff here to go through. We have a really nice throw pillow. A Euro boom stand for a microphone. We have another one of those in the shop, I think. What is this? Hog 32 ounce on point tumbler. Oh boy, this is cool. Look at that. If you want a really cool insulated tumbler as a gift, there you go. You got a Hunter. Anyone else that's fascinated by this, this is probably one of the coolest tumblers I've ever seen. Insulated, has a nice top to it. Have a little cup. That is cool. Very cool. Don't know what that's going to go for, but it's down here at the shop. We have Safe Haven Accents light purple floor pillow. That's kind of cool. Part of a kids trampoline. We got a full bag of oversized bath towels. Stuff around here. Extra shot soft sheet set in California King. If you're looking for sheets for a California King, there you go. Oh, these are cool. Got two of them. Yumly meat thermometers. We had these over Thanksgiving. We have at least two of them. These are so awesome. I use them all the time. I used it the other night when I made prime rib. And I'll tell you what, these are so nice. We got an ink cartridge, an empty box. We'll throw that on the ground. We have a formed sock aid. Wow, that's kind of interesting. Never seen anything like that. Helps you put your socks on without bending. Kind of a interesting idea. We have a brush curler type thing. I have no idea what this is. Yeah, no idea what this is. We have a Everfit, Everlast Fit workout equipment. Baby Bjorn. What is this? Oh, this is cool. Moms. This is a baby carrier mini. You can see it. Kind of a cool little accessory for new moms. That is really nice. Lightweight. It's a really light harness. That down there. We have a Christmas tree, and it looks like we might have the whole entire Christmas tree this time. We'll put it back down here. Universal vertical wood closures. Huh. We've been getting a lot of these towels. They're really lightweight. They're really, they're not the best towels in the world, but they're not bad either. We have some Christmas lights, quick clip Christmas lights for outdoors. We have a Moosh Moosh, Percy the Moosh Moosh. Look at that face, isn't he cute? Oh, oh, he just wants to go home with somebody. He needs a little kid. Big thing of rubber gloves. We like rubber gloves. More part of the Christmas tree. Eureka Blaze 3-in-1 stick vacuum. That's not bad. Need a nice little light vacuum. We have a Christmas tree stand for the Christmas tree I just pulled out. Oh, look at this. That's what we need for pallets. I don't know if any of you know what this is, but yeah, I think this is going to get opened, and I'm going to be using it for pallets. It's a good idea, you know, trigger gun, gripper on the bottom. Excellent idea right there. We have some wrapping paper. We have some more wrapping paper. We have some more wrapping paper. That's not bad. Reversible, two-sided wrapping paper. I'm assuming this fell out of that empty box I picked up earlier. I'm going to pull this over a little bit farther. Find out what's in this. Oh, this is a really pretty frame. Look at that. Really pretty frame for a picture. If you're looking for one as part of your gift you're giving, that is really awesome. Let me throw the garbage down here. Oh, guys and ladies, we have a gun case. Tactical gun case. Not a bad little one. It's lightweight. We've had it in before. If I remember right, the price on it was like $15, somewhere around there. Peel and stick wallpaper, pink elephants. We have Happy Holidays cards. This is a big, huge thing of Happy Holiday cards. I'm telling you, it is not too late to send Christmas cards. Happy birthday cards. Rubber band replacements. I don't know what that is. That looks like a candle for something. More picture frames. So we actually have those picture frames that just unwrapped. We actually have a bunch of those in here. We have a big stack of them. It's going to be really nice. What do we got here? Lactation massage rollers. Box is a little hammered, but it's in good shape. We have a roll of tape. We have some ink toner. We like that. Beginner's Bible. People of the Bible. So this is interesting. I was really curious about that. About this. This is called an in-flight bedding solution. I've never seen something like this. I'm probably not going to take it out of the bag, but I am assuming that it happens to do something with air travel. And so we're going to set it to the side. This will probably end up on eBay, but kind of cool. What else is that? More rubber gloves. 1800 series luxurious sheet set in twin XL. Kind of hard to see this guy. Let me open him up. Little penguin coin purse. Isn't that cute? Joseph in Egypt book. Okay, we have colored plastic clothespins. I tell you, we get everything. A spork United by Blue. So I'm assuming. Oh my gosh. We have staples. We have a whole box of staples here. You need staples, guys. T50 staples, 1/4 inch long. They're a little short for what I use, but we have staples. This looks like some type of floor mat. Yeah, floor mat. Ultra X Glam Core. So this comes down to one of those things is, do I open this up to find out what's in it, or do we try to look it up online? Because, you know, if I open it, you know, something like this, it's probably going to sell on eBay. I really don't want to break the seal on it because some of these things, if they're not sealed, they will not sell. And so I'm going to set this to the side. If anybody knows what that was, if you have something similar to that. Okay, guess what? Handy dandy. We're going to open this thing up. Look at that. Oh yeah, now we're going in style. I can grab all these little items. I don't have to worry about falling into a tote. Oh my goodness, this is so easy. Oops. Studio umbrella. You know you need an umbrella. More clothespins. The Spider-Man watch. That's cool. Playing with Fire DVD. Some of this stuff I just can't get to. Internet address and password logbook. Magical Mermaid Activity Book. Is there a cat one of those coming out? I don't know what those are. These go to the trampoline, wherever I put that. Shopping fund. There's a fun one. Some kind of poster. It says wallpaper, but it's a poster. What is this? Oh, we've had these before. United by Blue bag dispenser. That's cool. So apparently we have a whole set of stuff. I saw something else in here. Baby bunny needle felting kits. Fell apart. Okay, there's United by Blue. There's United by Blue. We're going to set this off to the side. Oh. New York Jets coasters. Chris, the Wolverine. He needs a friend. He needs a friend. He needs to go home with someone.
There's all kinds of fun stuff. Where did you get that?
House palette.
Nice.
I don't know what that is.
Thanks. What is that? Oh, a quarter grid?
Yep. Just trying to...
I didn't have Sandy velvet.
Those go to a really nice set of greeting cards that are right here. This is working really well.
Can you see that five?
That's
American Teal.
I have 2 of those. Boogie Woogie mats.
I want to put that at the back door.
Sounds good.
Oh, did you want it? No. Oh my gosh. Yep, I can't reach. All right, we have a portable crib. Brand new, excellent box. Right here. You want to go build that? Oh, no, we have clothes. Are those clothes?
Compella. Hill something. I don't know. Have no idea.
Well,
We have a few of them.
No, that's not clothes.
We have more. This goes, this
We
is a
have,
say,
like,
it's Hill something. Brand Trademarks Innovations. These are not open. We have 2 of them. Oh, we got some fishing stuff. Not in this box. This is not fishing stuff.
Oh.
Look at that. There you go. Nice little storage bin. There we go. Power bait. It is rainbow power bait. Another rainbow power bait. Okay. We can pretty much, I mean, there's a few other little things in here. I'll come back here in a little bit. For right now, there you go. There's that little massager thing. We're going to take a break. I've got to go finish packaging eBay up, and then I'll have Clarissa do the live video on the next discount, and we'll see you guys soon.